Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire TV that simply won't turn on. You have a black screen. Now, the first thing you can try is going to the actual physical button on the TV, and there is one located right on the bottom here. You can press this once and it will turn on. So in case you had a problem with the remote, try the physical button. Now here's the back of the TV. Go ahead and unplug all the HDMI devices in case there is an issue arising because of these connections. Then also locate your Fire TV that's plugged into a power strip or a power outlet and simply unplug it and leave it unplugged for at least 1 minute. You can unplug this overnight and leave it unplugged when you sleep for at least 9 hours, and try that as well. Try a different power source. So if you have it plugged into a power strip like this, try a different power outlet and plug it directly into the wall outlet like that. Then locate where it's plugged into the TV and simply unplug this as well and inspect it. And you could maybe find another cord laying around your house that looks like this, maybe to a different TV or a different device, and you could try out a new cord and then plug it back in and make sure this is a secure connection and it's plugged in all the way. Also, you could go down to your breaker box and flip the breaker specifically for where your TV is located and just see if that fixes the issue as well. And depending on what brand of TV you have, you might actually have a small reset hole that you can press in on the back of your TV. Might be labeled R or reset, so just look. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.